Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We have discussed about the salient features of various groups of these algae. We have discussed about the various features of the first group of plants, that's algae. Today we will take up classification of algae on the basis of presence of diverse combinations of pigments, presence of diverse combination of pigments, nature of reserve food material, nature of reserve food material, color of the thallus, and other features. Algae has been broadly divided into following four classes. Algae have been broadly divided or classified into following four classes, and on the basis of various combinations of pigments, nature of the reserve food material, color of the thallus, and other main features. Algae have been broadly divided into following four classes, that is green alga, number second brown alga, number third red alga, and number fourth is BGA, that is blue green alga. And on the basis of diverse combinations of pigments, nature of the reserve food material, color of the thallus, and other features, algae have been broadly divided into following four major classes, that is green alga, brown alga, red alga, and blue green alga. We will make a table so that we can easily see the various combinations of pigments, color of the thallus, nature of reserve food material, and other features of this alga. Number first is, that is serial number. Number second feature is pigments. Number third feature is, number first feature is that is color of the thallus, color of the thallus, and name of the class. This is number second. Number third, we will take pigments. Number fourth, we will take reserve food material. Number fifth, we will take cell wall composition, and number sixth we will take, that is flagella. Now let us take these one by one. Number first, second, third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, and this is the sixth. Serial number one, the color of the thallus is green, and name of this group, that is Chlorophyceae, what we simply call as green alga. And in the first algal class, that is green in color. The color of the thallus is green, and it is known as chlorophyce or green alga. Number second is the color of the thallus is brown, and this is known as phaeophyce or brown alga. This class of algae is known as phaeophyce or brown alga. Number third class is the color of the thallus is red, and these are known as rhodophyce or simply as red alga. And number fourth class is the color of the thallus is blue green, and these alga are known as cyanophyce or blue green alga. These are also known as myxophyce. The color of the thallus is blue green, and these are known as cyanophyce, blue green alga, or these are also known as myxophyce. Now, the various combinations of pigments of chlorophyce or green alga are, that is chlorophyll A, B, beta carotene, and lutein. And the pigments, combination of pigments found in green alga are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, beta carotene, and lutein. Similarly, the combination of pigments in brown alga are phaeophyce are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, beta carotene, fucoxanthin, and violoxanthin. The various pigments found in brown algae or phaeophyce are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, beta carotene, fucoxanthin, and violoxanthin. Now, red alga, the various combinations of pigments found in red alga are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, beta carotene, lutein, R phycoerythrin, and R phycocyanin. And it is the combination of these pigments which produce red color. And when chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, beta carotene, lutein, R phycoerythrin, and R phycocyanin, when they combine, they produce red color. Now, the various combinations of pigments found in blue green alga are chlorophyll A, beta carotene, mixoxanthophil, C phycocyanin, and C phycoerythrin. And when these pigments, that is chlorophyll A, beta carotene, mixoxanthophil, C phycocyanin, and C phycoerythrin, when they mix together, they produce blue green color of the thallus. Now, nature of this reserve food material. In green alga, we see the reserve food material is in the form of starch. As I have told you while studying the general features of algae, the only class of algae where reserve food material is in the form of starch, that is green alga. Now, brown alga. In brown alga, the reserve food material is in the form of mannitol and laminiarin. Mannitol and laminiarin. The reserve food material of red alga is in the form of Floridian starch. Floridian starch. And the reserve food material of blue-green alga is glycogen, which is also known as animal starch, glycogen. It is in the form of glycogen. Now cell wall. In chlorophyce, cell wall is made up of cellulose plus pectose. Cellulose plus pectose. In green algae, cell wall is made up of cellulose plus pectose. In brown algae, cell wall is made up of cellulose plus algin. Cellulose plus algin. Cellulose plus algin. And in rhodophyceae, that is red alga, cell wall is made up of cellulose plus pectin plus polysulfate esters. The cell wall contains cellulose, pectin plus polysulfate esters. And in case of cyanophyceae, the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Like other monerans, the cell wall of cyanophyceae, mixophyceae, what we also call as cyanobacteria, it is made up of peptidoglycan. It is made up of peptidoglycan. Now flagella. In case of green alga, we have 2 to 8 equal apical flagella. The flagella are 2 to 8 in number and they are apical in position. In case of Phaeophyceae, we have two unequal flagella which are laterally placed, lateral in position. In case of red alga, flagella are totally absent. And same is the case with Cyanophyceae. Here also these flagella are absent. And now we have seen on the basis of color of the thallus, nature of the pigments or various combination of pigments, nature of the reserve food material, cell wall content or cell wall composition, and number and position or presence and absence of flagella, we have 4 major classes of algae: green alga, brown alga, red alga, blue-green alga. Green alga are also known as chlorophyceae. Brown alga are also known as Phaeophyceae. Red alga are also known as Rhodophyceae. Blue-green alga are also known as Cyanophyceae or Mixophyceae. Now the pigments of green alga are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, beta-carotene and lutein. Reserve food material is in the form of starch. Cell wall is made up of cellulose plus pectin or pectose, and we have 2 to 8 equal optical flagella. 2 to 8 equal flagella which are apical in position, which are at the apex, that is tip of the body. Brown alga. In brown alga, the various pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, beta-carotene, fucoxanthin and violoxanthin, and reserve food material is in the form of mannitol and laminirin, and cell wall is made up of cellulose and algin. And we have 2 unequal flagella which are lateral in position. In case of red alga, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, beta-carotene, lutein, R-phycoerythrin and R-phycocyanin. Reserve food material is in the form of Floridian starch, and cell wall is made of cellulose plus pectin plus polysulfate esters, and flagella are absent. In case of blue-green alga, we have chlorophyll A, beta-carotene, mixoxanthophil, C-phycocyanin, C-phycoerythrin. Reserve food material is in the form of glycogen, that is also known as animal starch. Cell wall is made out of peptidoglycan, and flagella are altogether absent. This is all about the classification of this algae other classes we will take in the next lecture. This is all for today. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.